cheesy pepperoni heart twists. So I just take some store-bought pizza dough, and I don't have a rolling pin, but I do have a lot of bottles of wine. So I just roll it out. It does the same trick. Doesn't affect the wine whatsoever. Roll it out about 24 inches wide, and then I just chopped up really finely some pepperoni. And we're gonna just cover one entire side with pepperoni. So then I just take this is just some Italian cheese blend. It's like some Asiago, some Parmesan. You could use any cheese you want, a little bit of mozzarella. And we are gonna fold this over, and we're gonna kind of make it a perfect little square. You take your pizza cutter, which is like my favorite tool in the kitchen. I feel like it's a little underutilized. I love the pizza cutter. And then we're just gonna cut some strips.
Isn't it charming how happy this makes her? It makes me really happy.
Do you want to twist some hearts with me?
You want to twist a heart?
Let's twist some hearts.
I'll try.
I'm not a baker. I'm good.
So I'm hardly a baker. All right. So we're going to take these, and we're just going to twist them. Stuff's going to fall out. It's going to get really messy. It's okay. We're going to fold them and fold them and fold them, twist and twist and twist. And then we're going to put them on the baking sheet. You can see these that we did a little bit before here. We're just going to shape them into a pretty little heart.
Aww.
It's like a pepperoni pretzel.
Exactly. Any of the pieces that kind of...
John's is more like a Bavarian pretzel.
I think it looks great.
I try.
So
close enough.
Put some of the extra pieces on that may have fallen off. We're going to brush these with a little bit of EVOO. Give them a nice little shine.
John's looks more like a hug than a heart.
All right. John, do you want to pop these in the oven for me and grab those that we've got?
And stop calling me Shirley.
Here's a muffin. You can go get the hot ones.
They're right in there, the hot ones. And then I've got a little bit of marinara sauce to dip in.
Oh, she's got a dipper.
Oh,
yeah, you need a dipper.
The hot one's coming out of the oven.
Oh, my God, he's bringing over 2 trays.
You know, there's never enough pepperoni.
Honey, on the stove, you're going to burn the counter.
Okay, on the stove.
We got a lot of sweethearts we got to feed, so that's what we needed to make a lot. So look at how cute they are.
Oh, they're adorable.
And then the beauty at the end is when they're nice and hot out of the oven, you just sprinkle them with a little bit of Parmesan cheese so it sticks while they're still warm. Gilding the lily, I know. I just cheesed your hand.
It's okay.
And then a little bit of flat leaf parsley.
Oh.
And look at that.
Me want now.
Two meat hearts for your sweetheart.